When it comes to goals and goal settings, most heating and air conditioning technicians and even salespeople do not look at their goals enough. They don't have them in writing. They don't have them on audio. They don't have them in video. So how can you use technology to your advantage so that you go through your goals with mnemonic devices and you win? This is a fantastic question. I'm Scott Bell, and for 10 years I was a corporate sales trainer for one of the largest privately owned companies on the West Coast, and they later sold 6 months after I left for a maximum multiple. I'm coming to you live from Sacramento. All right, so I'm going to share with you that one of the things that I learned from doing corporate sales training is most technicians and salespeople don't even pay attention to what their goals are. They might know, hey, I got an end of the month review and I'll kind of wing it, or I got a quarterly review and but the personal goals that they set, they never really discuss. So they're on the level of what you could do. You can put your goals in writing, and you can go and you can read your goals on a daily basis. Next up, you can record your goals on video and audio, and you can listen or watch your goals. Now, third is a strategy that I figured out how to come up with. This has very much benefited me, and it's mnemonic devices. And so if you're going to be driving, if you're going to be sitting in traffic, and you're going to listen to music, why not listen to music about your goals? So for a second, hear me out, and I'll break down how this works. So first, you have to have goals. Second, you're going to break those goals into sections. So you've got like health, you've got wealth, you've got future, you've got family, like the major categories, okay? And then what you're going to do is you are going to go to your favorite LLM. So you're going to go to something like Manus, Perplexity, Claude, ChatGPT, whatever happens to be out of there right now as you're watching this video. In the future, some of those might not even be around. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your goals. And each section, you're going to go to your LLM and say, I want you to write lyrics based upon my goals in the style of, and you can pick your type of music, right? So I picked Hawaiian reggae, I picked pop, I picked classic rock. And so for me, it was Claude. Claude wrote my songs in sonnet form based upon what I asked for. So for my personal goals, I went with Hawaiian reggae. And then I went to Suno. Suno is an AI company that you could use right now to write music. And I said, hey, I've got these lyrics, and I want you to write a song in the form of Hawaiian reggae. So it wrote this song in Hawaiian reggae, and the first couple of them I didn't like. And then there was one of them like, oh, I would listen to that. I would check that out. So I downloaded it, okay? And then I took another section of like what I'm doing for health, and I went classic rock. So I went to Suno and said, hey, put this in classic rock. So now on my phone, I've got on my playlist, I made a playlist, I've got 7 songs that are my goals. And they're about 3 to 5 minutes each. They're not super long, but if you're thinking about this, if you're driving and you've got noise in the background and you're saying, hey, all I want to do is listen to my goals at least once a day, you're singing them to yourself. Constant recognition, constant singing to yourself of your goals. And I'm not going to say that magically because of you doing this, your goals are going to be like, they're going to manifest and you're not going to have to put any extra work. But here's what's going to happen is you're going to be sitting on the freeway and you might be listening to talk radio. You might listen to a podcast, and then all of a sudden you start humming your lyrics and you're like, oh, wait a minute. I got to go to my playlist. I got to listen to my goals. Or you could listen to them on a daily basis. You could put them in a rotation. And here is something that I've considered doing. I haven't done it just yet. But what I've considered doing is writing 3 songs, having 3 songs written in 3 different styles for each one of my sections of my goals. So that, there's 3 health songs, there's 3 wealth songs, there's 3 physical songs, there's 3 relationship songs. And then so now I've got a playlist that's an hour to an hour and a half. And I'm hearing it differently. I'm hearing it in different styles. I'm going to challenge you for I think it's $11 per month for the pro plan. It's $20 a month for Opus for Claude. I think it's $11 a month for Suno. So let's just say just for 1 month, you're in $30 and you have the ability to have your goals and listen to them anytime that you want. Now, you could go to Crazy Town and go one step further. There are computer programs out there, AI programs out there that will create video for you based upon the song. And I wouldn't recommend that you watch the video while you drive, but you could watch the video and input subliminal messages in for you. But I will share with you, this is one of the ways right now that how I'm using AI to my advantage on a daily basis. And it's not the typical thing that everybody else is doing. You got one of three things to do from here. It's one of three. Find the subscribe button, click on it, and every time I send a video, you'll get an update. 2, hit follow. 3, share this video with a friend. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.